How to fix COD Warzone 2 lag. 1. Disable on-demand texture streaming option under Details and Textures section in Graphics. 2. Lower the allotted texture cache size option accordingly. 3. Check Enable Download Limit option in Battle.net Launcher and also, set the daily download limit accordingly. 4. Change your system DNS. 5. Quit then restart MW2. 6. Repair MW2 files. 7. Upgrade or update graphic drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back current NVIDIA driver to the V5 22.25. 8. Check then improve your internet. 9. Close background and / or memory hogging applications and play MW2 in Windows Clean Boot. FYI, here are some known conflicting applications, ICUE, Razer Cortex, Razer Synapse, and Armory Crate. Source, https://www.reddit.com/r/modern warfare2/comment/e4vod/low_fps stuttering. 10. Restart shaders optimization. Path, settings graphics. 11. Try disabling these reported options. VSync. Texture resolution. Distant level of detail. Clutter draw distance. On-demand texture streaming. Particle quality. Particle quality level. Shadow map resolution ambient occlusion screen space shadows. Screen space reflections. Static reflection quality. Depth of field. Weapon motion blur. World motion blur. 12. Restart your internet router. 13. Check requirements then upgrade existing hardware if possible. 14. Pause all download-related processes or apps. 15. Disable or turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. 16. Change upscaling technique, aka DLSS. 17. Limit or lower MW2's VRAM usage accordingly. Path, graphics settings quality video memory scale. 18. AMD users, install the Adrenalin 2 2.5.1 recommended, WHQL, driver. 19. Play the game in full screen exclusive. 20. Try using different DXX version in Steam or Battle.net launcher, use commands D3, D11, DX11, and DX12. Like this. For Steam players, you may refer to this IMG below. 21. Change renderer worker count 0.0 equals 8 from its default of 15 or 16 in the options. 3.cod 22. File at document/Call of Duty /players. Hint, change the renderer worker count in options. 3.3 cod 22.cst. Accordingly. FYI, this setting dictates how many CPUs res your MW2 game is allowed to use. 22. Update the motherboard software. 23. Move your MW2 to SSD. Like this. 24. Set spot cache to high or ultra. 25. Disable core isolation on Windows 11. 26. Here are some customized graphics settings for maximum FPS. Plan A, 26.1.1 display mode, full screen. Display monitor, primary. Display adapter, your GPU. Screen refresh rate, set your monitor to max. Resolution, native. Aspect ratio, auto, 16:9. VSync, gameplay and menus off. Custom frame rate limit, unlimited, depending on your monitor. Gameplay, unlimited. Menu, 60. Out of focus, 30. Focus mode, off. HDR, off. 26.1.2 quality presets, custom. Render resolution, 100. Upscaling/sharpening, Fidelity FX COP. Fidelity FX COP strength, 85. Anti-aliasing, Filmic SMAAT2X, removes black dots. Anti-aliasing quality, normal. Video memory scale, 90. Texture resolution, normal. Texture filter anisotropic, normal. Nearby level of detail, high. Distant level of detail, high. Clutter draw distance, short. Particle quality, high. Particle quality level, low. Bullet impacts and sprays, off. Shader quality, high, if you want your gun camos to pop. Tessellation, off. Terrain memory, max. On-demand texture streaming, off. Streaming quality, low. Volume trick quality, low. Deferred physics quality, off. Water caustics, off. Shadow map resolution, very low. Spot shadow quality, low. Cache spot shadows, off. Spot cache, high, gets rid of stuttering when on high/ultra. Cache sun shadows, off. Particle lighting, low. Ambient occlusion, off. Screen space reflections, off. Static reflection quality, low. Weather grid volumes, off. NVIDIA reflex low latency, on. Depth of field, off. World motion blur, off. Weapon motion blur, off. Film grain, 0.00. Plan B, 26.2.1 display mode, full screen. Display monitor, your primary monitor. Display adapter, your GPU. Screen refresh rate, your monitor's refresh rate. Resolution, native. Aspect ratio, auto. VSync, gameplay and menus off. Custom frame rate limit, depending on your monitor. Focus mode, on. HDR, off. 26.2.2 quality, global quality preset, custom. Render resolution, 100, changing it to anything else will make the game look blurry. Upscaling/sharpening, DLSS quality with sharpness 60. Anti-aliasing, will be grayed out if DLSS or FSR is enabled. Video 5. 26.2.3 details and textures, texture resolution, medium. Texture filter anisotropic, hot. Nearby level of detail, low. Streaming quality, normal. Volume trick quality, low. Deferred physics quality, low. Depth of field, off. World motion blur, off. Weapon motion blur, off. Film grain, 0. First person camera movement, default. Third person camera movement, default. 27. Change graphic control panel settings. 27.1. For NVIDIA players, 27.1.1 add MW2 into the manage 3D settings list. 27.1.2 apply these settings, monitor tech, maximum pre-rendered frames, 2-threaded optimization, on. Power management, prefer maximum performance. Texture filtering, quality, performance. Low latency mode, ultra. 27.2. For AMD users, anti-aliasing mode, use application settings. Anti-aliasing method, maximum tessellation level, off. GPU workload, graphics. Texture filtering quality, performance. Surface format optimization, on. Wait, clear some potentially unused / pre-installed Windows apps via Sitenext script on GitHub. 29. Enable high performance mode for Warzone 2. Like this. 30. Disable in-game overlays and Windows Game Bar. Disable record game clips, screenshots, and broadcast using Game Bar and record the background while I'm playing a game. 31. Disable Microsoft Device Association Root Enumerator in Device Manager. 32. Enable game mode. 33. Use compatibility settings. Like this. 34. Read or learn more troubleshooting tips at https://support.activision.com/warzone-2/article/Google best settings for Warzone 2.